Okay, so good morning, everyone. We are here in our class this morning. We are going to talk about, we are going to read 2 Samuel 7, verse 25 to 27. Let's see how much we can cover for today. And I hope that you will join me in the challenge of reading, okay? Since this class is all about readings, I know that you have not probably read this text, but I hope you'll be brave enough to join me in reading this text right here. Okay, so let me read verse 25 to 27 first before we move on. Okay, it says here, We'ata Adonai Elohim. Okay, let Hadavar Asher Dibarta al Avdeka We al Beitu Hakim ad Olam Waasei Kasher Dibarta, okay? And then you have Uyigdal Shimka ad Olam Lemor Adonai Chevaoth Elohim Al Yisrael Obeth Abdeka David Yiyeh Nakon Lifaneka. Verse 7. Ki ata Adonai Chevaoth Elohei Yisrael Galutha Eth Ozen Abdeka Lemor Baith Evne Lak Al Ken Matsa Abdeka Et Libo Lihith Paleel Eleka Et Atipela Azoth. Right, so this is what we have right here in verse 25. Did I share my screen? Oh, I'm sorry. I did not share my screen. Okay, let's do it again. Who would like to volunteer? Or you would want me to read it again for you?
Verse 25.
Okay, let's try to read it again. Verse 25.
Uyata.
Okay. We'ata.
We'ata.
Let me try
Adonai
to use my annotation here. Okay. So we'ata. What happened? Okay, good. All right, let's read it again. Okay, We'ata Adonai Elohim Adabar Asher Dibarta al Abdeka we al Beito Hakim ad Olam wa Ase Kaaser Dibarta. Okay, verse 26. Wayigdal Shimka ad Olam Lemor Adonai Chevaoth Elohim al Yisrael Obeth Abdeka David Yeye Nakun Lefaneka. Right. Let me try to move this one up right here. Okay, good. All right, that's it. And then verse 27. Ki ata Adonai Chevaoth Elohei Yisrael Galutha Eth Ozen Abdeka Lemor Baith Evet Evnelak Al Kain Matsa Abdeka Et Libo Lehith Palel Aleka Et Hatipilah Hazoth. All right. Okay. Let's try to read it together, even if you are muted. So let's try to read it together. Okay. Follow my cursor. Okay. Did you see the highlight here? The red one?
Yes.
All right, good. Okay. So let's follow, even if you are muted. Let's try to read it together. Okay. Verse 25. Let's try to read it 3 times, okay? Verse 25. We'ata Adonai Elohim Hadabar Asher Dibarta Al Abdeka We Al Beithu Hakim Ad Olam. All right. Wa'aseh Ka'asher, sorry. Ka'asher Dibarta. Okay. Wayigdal Shimka Ad Olam Lemor Adonai Tzevaoth Elohim Al Yisrael. Obed Abdeka David Yiye Nakun Lefaneka. Verse 27. Let me just make it a little bit smaller. All right. Let me just go. Let's make it a little bit smaller so that we can see the whole text. No, sorry, very small. But anyway, okay. Let's go. Let's move. So I want you to see that. Okay, let's read verse 27. Okay, let's read verse 27. Ki ata Adonai Tzevaoth Elohei Yisrael Gedolah et Ozen Avdeka Lemor Baith Evne Lak Alken Matza Avdeka et Libo Lehith Palel Aleka et Hathpilah. All right, sorry, Hatipilah Hazoth. All right, that's good. Okay, who would like to read one more time? Let's ask the group of Jano and Brother Marjon and Brother Brother Jano, can you, okay, the three of you please, can you read, can you help us read
Verse 26.
verse 25? Let's begin. Kindly read verse 25 first, okay? And then I will ask later, I will ask Brother Ruiz, and then Brother Jasper, then Brother Humalon. Okay, in that order, okay? So just get ready. Okay, verse 25.
Okay, verse 25. We ata Adonai Elohim Hadabar Asher dibarit al-Ebdika we al bito Hakim al ulam wa asir wasi
Kaaser
di dibarta.
All right, very good. Okay, good. So the first one is We'ata. Okay, you know the word, right? The next one is Adonai Elohim Hadabar Asher. Okay, here this one is Dibarta. Okay, take note of the accent mark. Dibarta. Okay, and then you have here Abdeka. The first shua here is silent. The second shua is vocal, right? Abdeka. Yes. And then you have Beto. Right, good. And then what else? All right, so you have here also another word, Dibarta. Okay, Dibarta. No, it's actually Dibarta. Okay, this one is silent. Okay, so the Shua here is silent. This one is also silent. So did you see here the method here that tells you that that would now be a sign that you are ending a paragraph or a sentence? Okay, so this is basically a sentence. So you have it there. All right, good. Okay, so yes. right. Remove it on the other side. Okay, so next verse 26. Let's do it phrase by phrase. Okay, so let's do it phrase by phrase. Okay, one phrase here. This one is another phrase. This one is one phrase, and then this one is another phrase, okay? And then we have another phrase here. All right, one phrase. And then
Simka.
right, another phrase here.
More.
And then you have one phrase, another here. Okay, one phrase here. Another phrase, and then let's go to the last phrase, okay? Right, okay, good. Okay, so brother, who was not able to read last time?
Pastor.
Pastor.
Ruiz
All right.
Pastor.
Okay, brother Ruiz, go ahead.
Yes.
So, verse 26.
Okay, phrase by phrase, all right?
Yes. So, Weyegdal Simka Adolam Lemor.
Very good, okay? So, Wayigdal, right? Wayigdal,
Weyegdal
Shimka, Ad Olam,
Olam
Lemor.
Lemor.
Right, very good, brother Ruiz, that's good. Okay, next.
Abueva, Pastor.
All right, go ahead.
Adonai Gibayot Elohim al Yisrael.
Right, okay, that's good. So this one is Adonai Chevaoth, all right? Chevaoth. Okay, so basically the rest are read properly. Very good. I like that. Next one.
Oliver, Pastor.
All right, go ahead, Brother Romel.
Asa sabi ni Pastor, no?
Here. This side.
Asa sabi ni sa 26, Pastor, sa kuan.
Yeah, with the
Israel.
Ata.
okay.
Obed.
Did you see? All right, good.
Obed.
Go ahead.
Elohim.
Obed. Abdika. Dawid.
Wala.
Right, very good.
Dili si Jesus ako
Okay, very good.
Dili po. Textual criticism.
All right, so who's the one talking about textual criticism?
Kuka kapagkasugod ko
Bait.
kabalon sa on.
Keep silent, bait.
We're still
Bait.
in
Antone.
Hebrew readings. Kindly go to textual criticism later, okay? Right, good, thank you. So are you talking about the Old Testament studies, or are you talking about New Testament studies? Textual
Ay nang
criticism.
tanang mga pastor.
Okay, so
Sorry,
if you want to talk, please mute yourself if you're not talking about our topic, so that we will give respect to the one who is actually reading. Thank you so much. Okay, we have 10 minutes. Right, next one. Thank you, Romel, for helping us read. Next one. All right, John Ray, come on, go ahead. Next word.
Yeye. Nakon. Lipanika.
Very good. Okay. Right, next.
Umagas, Pastor.
Go ahead, Brother Gerard.
Which Praise Pastor.
This one. The one in circle.
Verse 27, Pastor.
Yes, go ahead.
6.
Okay, Ata, Adonai, Chivaot.
All right, very good. Okay, this one is Chevaoth. Okay,
Chibaoth.
the
Sibaoth.
Aleph. All right, the Aleph there is silent, so basically you have to read this one now. Okay, this is column wow, long O.
Sibaoth.
Okay, all right, Chevaoth. All right, very good. Okay, I'm impressed with your reading. Basically, I think you've been practicing reading. Very good. Okay, next one.
Humalon, Pastor.
Right. Go ahead, Brother Ren. This is very simple for you. Go.
Elohe, Yisrael,
All right, good. Elohe.
Limor.
Enough.
Elohe, Yisrael,
All right, okay.
Elisa,
Just there, just there. Okay.
Elohe Israel.
Okay.
Enough.
Okay.
Okay, Pastor.
I'd like you to take note of this. Okay, this is hard. All right, it's not soft. So you say ye, and then this one is S. Okay, so you read it as Yis, Yisrael. Okay,
Yeah.
Yisrael.
Yes.
Okay, so this one is also long, Yisrael. So yeah, very good. So Elohe Yisrael. Okay, next one.
Perez, Pastor.
Right, go ahead, Brother Perez.
Galeta et Uzen Abdika.
Very good. Okay, so here, this is Tau, so you say, and it does not have a dagesh, supposedly, all right? I mean, there's no dagesh there. So you pronounce it as, okay? Soft. Yes, so, okay, read it again.
Galita
Okay,
et
this one only. Okay, make it soft. Make the Tau soft. Like when you say the, all right? The or yes.
Galeta.
Right, good.
Galeta.
But okay. But this one it should be hard, okay? But long.
Galeta.
Okay. E.
Galeta.
All right. You say E. E.
Galeta.
All right.
Galeta.
No. E.
Galeta.
Galeta.
No. Okay.
Galeta.
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 Yeah, okay.
Galeta.
No, not Galeta, all right?
Galita.
It should be like that.
Galeta.
Sumpay good.
Galeta.
No. Galitha. Galitha. All right, that's it. Okay, it should be long I.
Galeta.
No. Again, Galitha. All right, Galitha. No. Not
Galeta.
le. Huh? Not le. E. Galitha.
Naglisod man.
Kanang gahi. All right, you say gahi, not gahe.
Gayi.
Right?
Galeta.
No. It should be gahi, not gahe. Gahe animo oy. You don't say gahe animo oy. You say gahi animo oy.
It's hard to pronounce, sir.
No. Okay, follow me. Gahi.
Gahi.
No, not gahi. Gahi.
Gahi.
Gahi ba?
Gahi.
Gahi
Gahi.
Ilonggo Patig. In English, you say hard. So gahi.
Hard. Hard. Gahi.
Okay.
Walang lalaki sa'yo, lalaki ba?
Okay, brother Perez, can you read this one? This one.
Where? Gahi. Gahi.
Gahi.
Gahi.
Kani?
Gahi.
Huh?
Gahi. Gahi.
Gahi. All right. So when you read this one, it should be like this. Okay?
Gahi. Gahi.
Yes. Not this one. All right? The way how you, it's not that one. So I'll put an X there. It's not when you read it galesa, it's like gahe. No? But when you read it
Gahi.
as galisa, it's gahe.
I'm just
All right?
fix the mic for the video.
Galeta.
So we are into the Explorer, and what I'll do is go to the HP support, click on it. Okay, so Bing is searching here, no problem.
All right, thank you. Okay, so you say galisa, right?
Galeta.
Gahi, lagi dili gahe. Okay?
Gahi. I will practice,
Galisa.
Pastor.
All right.
I will practice.
Okay, so practice saying gahi and also gahe.
Gahi. Gahi.
Yeah, so this one is galisa, right? So that's it.
Galita.
All right, very good. And then you have, okay, ozen. Okay, take note this. Take note of the accent mark here, right? Ozen.
Uzen.
Okay, so when you see, you have to take note. There are some accent marks here. Very common accent marks. This one, this one, and then you also have what? Where is the other one that I'd like to share with you? Okay, for example, you have this one. It tells you that it's an end of the phrase. Okay, so that means to say you have to raise your voice right there, and then you have also here, and then also somewhere this one. So take note of these marks here that I have encircled. Okay, that's where you are going to raise your voice. All right. So yeah, and the rest you have to accent your voice in at the last syllable. Okay. All right. So ozen avdeka. All right. Avdeka. All right. So it should be like that. Avdeka. And then you say a little more. Right, very good. I like that. Okay. So yeah. Right. So we have
Anthony ba, sir?
okay, Anthony, do it fast. Go ahead.
Yes, Pastor.
Here.
Bayet Ibnalak.
All right, very good. So bayit, supposedly you read it as bayit, but this one
Bayit.
is this one is actually a diphthong. Okay, will be this one is a diphthong, so you read it as bayit. You don't read it as bayit, but you read it as bayit. Say that bayit.
Okay, pa.
Bayit. Bayit.
Bayit.
All right, very
Bayit.
good. Okay,
Thank you,
then
sir.
this one is